first matches tonight here in your home gym. How do you feel about how the boys wrestled?
We got some work to do. I thought we wrestled well at certain weights. I think we could have wrestled better. Definitely going to go look at the film tomorrow, get a nice lift in the morning, and improve on where we can improve. But overall, I kind of expected what happened. Coming in, I was expecting kind of what happened, I guess I should say. We had some forfeits. We got some injuries right now, so we forfeited at 195. That definitely hurt us when it comes to the final team scores of things. Our 60-pounder got hurt recently, so we forfeited there, and then as well as the 26-pounder, so we had to bump Kavan up to 26, and we forfeited 120. So having 3 forfeits in the lineup, it's hard to beat a solid team like Crestwood and come through. And we battled back, though. We got some pins. We made it a close match, and we definitely gave our home crowd a respectable performance, I think.